Hi, my Princess House lovers. I have an electric package for you tonight. This one is all electric. So I have combined the 4 most popular electric items that we have in our collection and giving you a huge discount. This might be one of my best packages yet. So I've included for your benefit the high power blender. I think you've seen this many times. I don't have to explain it anymore. We also have our stand mixer, which has a 7-quart bowl. I love how big it is. I've made 13 dozen cookies, 4 banana breads all at once. Then we have our wildly popular full size. This is a double electric griddle. So these are all electric pieces. It has that little attachment right there. You plug it in. You can use anywhere from warm to 425 degrees. So you can cook on it and then also keep things warm. It's a great size for entertaining. That's a new item. And another item, another electric piece, is our 13-inch grill pan. So you can see inside, right? Can you? Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. You can see the grill marks, right inside. And this is a great item that you will also be able to use. That was the problem. My lid wasn't on correctly. There you go. That's all I needed to do. So what you'll be able to do is use this piece again. You're going to see the hookup right here, and you can use it anywhere that you have a plug. So you can grill inside even in the cold of the winter. So these 4 pieces would be valued at over $2,000. These 2 alone are $619 each. But I made a package for you that is a crazy good special. You can get all of this, every single piece here, for $1,183. It is about $1,000 savings. You can pay just $118.30 times 10 weeks, and then it's yours paid in full. If you want to change the payments and do them differently, that's fine. Just let me know. So reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will get you this package. I'm really excited about it because, as I said, these are 4 of the most popular items in our electric collection that I think you're going to love to use. They will help you cook healthier and easier and make it a little bit more joyful. All right, Thelindabradley@gmail.com. I will see you next time.